This is Track What Matters. It's a helper hand here. If you don't want to buy a full kit, you can get 3, buy one get one free. We got the top deals at the Home Depot, plus some clearance. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That really does help out the channel. All right, on clearance, this is a top of the line mower, $450 down from $899. That's just a killer deal. 20 or 50% off on that one. It does come with 2 big batteries. $150 down from $299. Chainsaw and pole saw combo, and then you got a smaller mower, 13-inch. This is $125 down from $249 in clearance. For a really small yard, not that powerful. $119. These are going on clearance all the stores, so make sure you guys check it out. Not on this store exactly, but I've seen it at other stores. It's going on clearance really cheap. So all the brushes exactly $17.97 at this store, but like I said, there's other discounts. This is the clearance section. You get the DeWalt the Tub System Lite. This is compatible with the Tub System, obviously 2.0, $199. You got this Milwaukee mixer. Now this one's for you people that mix concrete and thin set. $269. That one's on clearance. Impact driver, $98 on clearance. 40 volt 8 ampere battery for 312. They're from $389. They still got the buy one get one free. These are killer hacks, guys. Especially the high torque impact wrench, the battery, 12 ampere battery, the chainsaw up there. Yeah, it's hard to see. The vacuum. So those are all be able to hack, and you're getting a free battery with that. All right, let's look at what they got on sale here. They got $49.97 for these linesman's pliers. Those are insulated, and then you got the regular linesman's pliers, and then you got this 9-in-1, and then the 27-in-1. This is what we saw last year. I ended up picking one of these from last year, and it works really well. I really like the 27 pieces, so it works really well on that. It does have some security bits in there. $19.97 for the 6-in-1 pliers, and then you got the voltage detector, $27.97 and $19.97. Depends on the model you want to get. Now that's a really nice knife there for $14.97. All right, so you got the set of pliers, and these are all insulated pliers. Screwdrivers, $99. You got some side cutters, diagonal, however you want to call them. All right, so you got this filter. This one's $19.97. However, I would wait for the Black Friday deals because I don't know if they're gonna have the 2 for 1 deal or 2 for 24. You got the shears, really nice shears. They got all these on sale. This is pretty much all they got left. Just the shears on this section. And they're $14.97, and then all those are available for that $14.97 price. $129. Buy one of these and get yourself a battery for free, basically. So $129 for the sander. You got the vacuum's pretty nice, and then you get 2 ampere battery, valued at $99 for free, with the purchase of any of those, including that impact driver. All right, on this one, $29.97 for the 325 lumen flashlight. You got the rubber 300 lumen magnetic floodlight. All those for, or actually each for $29.97. $39.97 for the 250 lumen pen lights. That's really nice. It is rechargeable. You got the mid torque impact wrench. This thing is a beast. Definitely recommend it. You do get the sockets for free. Again, you guys are able to hack this. $54.97. $249 for this half-inch hammer drill. 2 batteries charger, and then you got $99 for the blower. $179 for the inflator, and do not buy it at that price because I'm pretty sure they're gonna have Black Friday deals on those. And do apologize for the camera going on circles there. You got the buy one get one free, so you buy the toolkit there for $229. Get those free tools on the right, including that light. You got the cable stapler, $229, and get a free insulated staplers. All right, so this is Track What Matters. If you guys don't know, this is the one key Bluetooth technology that goes on your tools, and you can track it around with your cell phone. If you've got several tools, lending tools or renting tools, this is a great platform to get into, especially if you got those expensive Milwaukee tools. $29. If you don't want to buy a full kit, you can get 3 of these. Actually, this is all you need basically for the lug nuts of your vehicle. 1997 for that 3-piece, not bad. This is the deals that they got, buy one get one free. So they had these for about a couple weeks now. So 199 will get you the best bang for your buck, which is the 2 high output batteries, or the 129 will get you the lower um, 2 CP2 amp hour batteries and a free tool. So definitely check out. A lot of people are going for that pump, the pump and the shears. So those are probably the best deals. All right, 199 for the 12 amp hour battery. You got the compact 4 tool combo kit for 399, hammer drill for 249, and the 2.6s for 249. Not bad on those. They got all the tools there at the bottom. All right, they got the newer batteries. These are the Forge 12 amp hour batteries for 249, and then right next door you got the 8 amp hour battery for 199, which is $50 less. But check this out. Same price, guys, for the 6 amp hour battery. So at that price, might as well just get the 8 actually. So getting 2 more amp hours. That's just weird how they price that. 139 for the max output battery. And then check out the full set of impact sockets, $54, down from 64. So if you need that full size or full set, that's a really nice set. And then you got the 3/8 drive. So if you got a smaller impact wrench, $39.97, down from $44.97. So pretty nice. Really love the indentations on these. The white, very, very easy to see. For the smaller kits here for the impact drivers, it does come with adapters, 3/8. And if for your yellow fans, we got the 1897 with some impact sockets. Got the drill and driver 1/2 inch for $79, down from the 129. It's already sold out. Just a quick comparison here with my finger, and you compare it to that. It's actually really, really pretty much the same, but it's fatter. So it's a little fatter. And then you got the drills. So this is a hammer drill, a compact hammer drill. You guys don't know, those are the compact tools, the newer compact tools that they came out with, but just a quick comparison. All right, you got the high torque impact wrench. This thing is massive, but it is a compact compared to the last one. $299 for that one. Make sure you guys buy it with the head because there is a buy one get one free on that one. Same thing with this one. You get the sockets, and then this one's, I believe this one does not have anything, but it is one of the newer ones. It's the 3/8. If I were to choose any of those 3, and I were to buy one of those, I would definitely choose the high torque impact wrench because that will take anything off. All right, so you buy any of those kits on the left, and you get a free 8 amp hour battery. That's just a killer deal on that one. Again, those are able to be hacked. Same thing with the high torque impact wrench, $299. The compact brushless impact driver and drill driver, the 12 amp hour battery, the pack out wet and dry vacuum, angle grinder, 100 reciprocating. So those are all available for that smaller battery, which is a 5. So that's a pretty good deal on that one. All right, so for talking about some yellow, we got the compact, and then we have the regular size. So that's a big difference on that one. You got the 850. So this one's the most compact that they have compared to the regular impact driver XR. This is the newest impact driver. Yes, the pretty much the top of the line XR 3-speed impact driver. And that's valued at $199. All right, so Milwaukee, we got $89.97 for the 400 lumen neck lights. So this is a pretty nice design that they made. It does have the battery on the back. You can pivot up and down those 2 lights. $69.97 for the floodlights. It is rechargeable with USB. So it's like a little LED bar. And then you got the folding light at $84.97. This is 500 lumen pivoting light. That's what they call it. Does come with the rechargeable USB Type-C cable. $69.97 for the 600 lumen hard hat lamp. Does have come with the band. You can probably wear this just with the without the hard hats. And then you got this $59.87 for this beryllium USB low profile headlamp. All right, that's what they got on special buy. So $79 for the stick light with magnets. You got the low profile for $59.97. The pen light for $39.97. And then you got the magnetic for $29.97. All right, if you guys didn't know, they do make hard hats. This is the yellow version. This is $21.57. It does have a quick ratcheting adjust. You got the red, so it does come in red. You can pretty much get dressed up here at the Home Depot using all sorts of fashion, including some t-shirts. Yes, these are $24.97 for some black t-shirts. You got some grays, you got some greens, blues, XL, large, whatever you need. And then you got some hats, really nice. The black ones, I really like them. $19.97. You got some pants, really like the gray and the khaki, brownish. You got a power inverter. This is if you want to charge your tools on the go, basically on your truck. You can buy one of these babies, either the bigger one or the smaller one, depends on how many chargers you got. You can connect this to the battery of your car, and 198. And then you got these $14.97 for the Hex Key Huskies. Really love these. I really like what they did with these, with the colors, and plus I'm pretty sure they're not gonna fall apart like Harbor Freight's. $16.97 for the folding hex key set from the Milwaukee. So you got the competitor here. It does have some nice, easy to read measurements on each of those hex. It's a helper hand here, basically. So if you're putting up a door, if you're adjusting maybe some appliances, leveling up some appliances, this is actually a pretty nice tool to have, having an extra hands to help you with the doors, basically. Because I've done doors by myself. It's not fun, level those doors. That is the base, pretty much solid metal, and it is $119. That's it for today. If you like what you see, don't forget to give us a follow, a like. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and that really does help out the channel. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.